job.
She called me a turd bag and told me that she's going to hunt me down when she's off of work. We're gonna go see what's up and then hopefully get the van. I'm freshly showered, which is such a great feeling when you don't get them often. Akela and I have been having a great time here in Utah, but today is our last day in the area. There are a few errands that I have to run in town, and then I'm out of here, I think. For those of you that follow me on Instagram, you know that a while ago I purchased a compound bow and I've been practicing a lot, and one of the things I need to do this morning is visit an archery shop that I really like down here, and I think I need my draw length adjusted. It feels a little bit short, and potentially my poundage might be able to go up as well, so I'm gonna kind of see how that goes. So archery shop is first, and then I gotta pick up my mail, and shortly after that I'm gonna get on the road and find a really beautiful spot to kind of hang out tonight outside of the city. On my way to the archery shop, I noticed that this market was open, and I made a very quick turn into it, and I'm gonna get some fresh produce. This totally made my day. I am so excited. Green beans, zucchini, these beautiful apples, plums, jalapenos, red pepper, potatoes, and I have a plan for these for the morning because I just got some really great eggs as well. Homemade corn and black bean salsa. Homemade honey almond granola, and pepper jack cheese. I'm set for a while. I just need to pick up some meat. What a great morning. Well, the archery shop is closed until October 5th. So I am just going to go out into the desert and practice instead. Also, the reason that I can't really just quite leave and head to the Pacific Northwest now is because I made an appointment for tomorrow to get some engine work done on Togo. There has been a clicking noise in my engine for like the last year, and whenever I go into dealerships they tell me that I should look into getting it done, but it's not super necessary right now. But it's been getting louder and it's been making me anxious, so I'm gonna bring them in, get it taken care of so that I don't have to have that like lingering anxiety. We've had plenty of that. He's gonna get run over if I don't help him. Oh shit, I'm still in drive. God. Oh no, he's hurt. Oh no, 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 no. Come on, buddy. Yeah, good job, buddy. Keep going. No, no, not under my car. Shit. By the way, that clicking is what's an issue in my van. Oh, he definitely got hit, but it looks like he's okay. Yeah, run, run, run. Oh my god, there's a car. Run, run, run. Run, run, run. Run, run, run. Go, 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 go. Oh my god, he almost got ran over. Okay, he definitely is fine because I saw him go into these rocks. My decision to invest in this skill and to practice and to eventually harvest my own meat has been something that I've really hesitated to share here on YouTube. For me, I know that this journey is a very personal one. It has a lot of meaning behind it for me, and I know that not everybody can understand fully or relate to everybody else's experiences and decisions. This is something I hope to do for the rest of my life. I do eat meat, and I want to be able to understand fully what that means. I want to know where my food comes from, and I want to feel reconnected to the land and to my food in a really intimate way, even though I know that that's going to be hard. I won't go into too much detail here, but this is something that I'm open to sharing more of if there are people out there that are interested in this journey that I've now taken on. Good morning. Akela's looking extra cute this morning. my van is all checked in. I am just putting my stuff together in a bag so I can have pretty much everything I need. And then Akela and I are gonna head out, go for a walk, settle in somewhere, do some work. I'm taking Akela for a walk and I called my friend Jerica. So Chris and Jerica live in Salt Lake City and that's where I'm at right now. I gave her no heads up that I was gonna be here, but I just decided to call her. Anyway, she called me a turd bag and told me that she's going to hunt me down when she's off of work, so. My service agent came in to break the news that the repair was going to be $4,500. The same thing was happening on both sides of the engine, causing the clicking noise, something about camshafts, rubbing on the lifters, and they both needed to be replaced. He also said that there was no way I could stay in it overnight because of how big the job was, which means I needed to find a different plan.
Hey, do you want some water?
So I'm in a very different setting right now. I'm clearly not in the dealership anymore. I texted Jerica and I said, hey, turns out I actually will need to keep Togo there overnight. I won't get him back until Friday. Do you mind taking in a homeless person? So, yeah. Luckily, she lived just over 2 miles away from the dealership, so Akela and I just got done walking from the dealership to her house, which is where I'm at right now. You're gonna be in the YouTube video, okay?
Oh, yay! Hi, you know, caught me on my good no shower day. So, I bet my hair is nice and shiny for you. Okay, Akela, are you gonna help me make the bed?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Thankfully, it used to be like a 1 bit right there. Just a tad bigger, I'm probably.
Well, like until they were in school, like a lot of other treats.
Well, I should get a call about my van at some point. Today's my birthday, and I really have absolutely no emotions around that. I like legitimately could care less that it's my birthday, and my plan had been to just be in the middle of nowhere. Instead, I'm in the middle of a city with friends, which is also really great. And while I'm having an amazing time, and it's so great to reconnect with these people, I know that I'm going to need some super chill alone time in the middle of nowhere really soon. Just waiting on a call back from the dealership. All right, so Chris just brought me back to the dealership, and we're gonna go in and take a look at the invoice and just make sure it all looks right, because obviously I'm spending a ton of money on this fix. So yeah, we're gonna go see what's up and then hopefully get the van. Cool. I'm also wearing all of Jerica's clothes and her Crocs. So I took a shower, which was wonderful. I will admit it sounds so much better. Well, Chris and I tried to kind of question the amount of labor hours they charged me for 14 labor hours. They didn't start working on the van until like 3:30 yesterday, and I don't know when they finished, but I had called at noon and my service advisor was out on lunch. He called when he was back, which was like an hour later, and said that it was done. So 14 hours doesn't really add up. I texted Chris, my mechanic from home, who I've relied on a lot, and he asked how they justified it and that doesn't make any sense, and nothing worked. He had all sorts of reasons, you know, to justify it, and it could be valid, who knows. So yeah, final cost of all of that, both camshafts and lifters and then all of the gaskets that come with that, And they also replaced an ignition coil as well. All 4 camshafts, not 2. So the total ended up being $4,588. Something that he did mention, because I said that based on my knowledge, which is not much, that this issue isn't super common with such low mileage. So Togs has 107,000 miles on him, and he said that one of the things that these vehicles don't like is just sitting in idle, which is what I'm doing right now, ironically. So that's something that I'll not do much of anymore. Oh no! When they test drove my van, they knocked over my tomatoes, which means I have tomatoes all over now. Still gonna eat them. What I'm gonna do right now, while I have the rest of the day, is I'm gonna install my pull-up bar. This is a project that I started months ago, and I'm gonna do that right now. This is gonna be a part of a different video dedicated just to my pull-up bar and what I decided to do and how I installed it. I'm gonna do that, and then I'll catch you guys later tonight. Jerica and Courtney had planned this really beautiful little shenanigan.
The torch.
That's so fun. Here, I'll help.
Yeah, do something while you're doing nothing.
Oh my.
Oh, yeah, there's a lot of wax dripping onto this cake. What did we do here? Ow! Fuck. Oh, that
Who
one.
can withstand the most heat? This one's gonna be real rough.
I think it's melting.
What is?
The whipped cream on top.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh no! Oh!
Fuck it.
They all.
God damn it.
Whoa! Okay, well at least I can blow it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay.
Feliz cumpleaños
Okay, that's
a
good.
ti.
Blah, blah, blah.
Feliz cumpleaños a ti.
What?
Feliz cumpleaños a Linnea. Feliz cumpleaños a ti. Is this ice cream cake?
Now it's flourless chocolate cake with whipped cream and Oreos, because a little birdie told me that dirt is your favorite kind of dessert. So we've made a dirt cake.
Shall we look at the inside and see how beautiful it is? Oh, very interesting. Looks like a giant brownie.
This looks good.
Thank you, Jerica. That is dense.
It's like
My good friend Kat is on her way to Salt Lake City right now. She is bringing a bus from Kansas that her and her partner will be living in. We thought that it would be fun to caravan together up to the Pacific Northwest, which means that I stayed the entire weekend in Salt Lake, and that was not my plan. But the time here with Chris and Jerica has been so amazing. I now have a safe vehicle to drive in. I was able to reconnect with them, celebrated my birthday a little bit. We went to a really cool event last night, and city life has been okay for a few days. And Akela and I are ready to get out of here. So the goal is to leave tomorrow and head to Oregon and hopefully spend some super solid time in nature in the middle of nowhere. That's the goal. I know that this vlog was very all over the place. It's kind of the beautiful thing about this life, is being able to take things as they come, roll with the punches, and also experience all of the beautiful things that you just can't really plan on happening, that happen on the road. There are some really fun things coming up, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Akela and I will see you next week.
why don't we bring the bikes down, stop in the museum, and then drive up the
I just wanted to leave a little surprise.
Oh.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun.